Hello dear student, welcome to the online class of mathematics. Dear student, today's video we are going to learn the new chapter number 16, three-dimensional shapes. Dear student, three-dimensional shapes are solid shapes. What is solid shape? An object that has a fixed shapes and size is called solid. Okay, and solid occupied a fixed amount of space. For example, like football, cone, box, etc. These are all solid shapes. Solid shapes occurs in different shapes. These shapes are known as three-dimensional shapes. So in this chapter we are going to see the three-dimensional figures. Okay, these figures are different from 2D, that is plane figure. Why? Because in plane shapes we have length and breadth, but in 3D shapes we have height or depth. Okay, so three terms are used in three-dimensional shape, that is length, width and height, or you can say depth. I hope you have understood what is solid shapes. So dear student, now the next topic is faces, edges and vertices. First of all, we will understand what is face in three-dimensional. The flat surface of three-dimensional figures are called face. ठीक है, जो थ्री डायमेंशनल फिगर्स में जो फेस होते हैं उनके फ्लैट फेस, उसको हम फेसेस कहते हैं. ओके, सो यू कैन सी इन द फिगर द हाईलाइटिंग कलर इज शोइंग दैट इट इज़ अ फेस इन थ्री डायमेंशनल फिगर. नाउ आफ्टर फेसेस, नाउ वी विल नो व्हाट इज एजेस. द टू faces of three-dimensional figures meet in a line segment called an edge. ठीक है, यानी दो फेस जो है एक लाइन सेगमेंट में मिलते हैं, उस लाइन सेगमेंट को हम एज कहते हैं. यू कैन सी इन द फिगर, यस, द हाईलाइटिंग येलो लाइन इज द एजेस. ओके, so that is called edge. And the last, vertices. The singular form of vertices is vertex. We say vertex. What is vertex? Two or more edges meet in a point is called vertex. यानी किसी एक पॉइंट पे दो या उससे ज़्यादा एजेस मिलते हैं, उस पॉइंट को हम वर्टेक्स कहते हैं. यू कैन सी इन द फिगर वर्टेक्स ऑफ द थ्री डायमेंशनल शेप्स. सो I hope you have understood all these three terms which are used in three-dimensional figures: faces, edges and vertices, because all these three terms will be useful for you for understanding this chapter. So dear student, we are going to see the first three-dimensional shape, cube. You can see the cube figure, it has divided in three parts. You can see that first faces, second edges and third vertices. Now you have to identify how many faces, edges and vertices are there in cube. So look at the figure and you will tell me the answer. Your time start now. I hope you have got the answer. Can you tell me how many faces are there? Yes, correct. There are 6 faces. You can see in this figure 6 faces are there. And how many edges? Yes, 12 edges are there. So 12 edges are there. You can see the yellow line segments. You have to just count that line segment and your answer is 12 edges. Now vertices. How many vertices are there? Absolutely correct. 8 vertices are there. Where the two or more lines are meeting. देख सकते हैं आप. I hope you all have understood today's topic. If you have any doubt, you can contact me. Thank you for watching the video. Have a nice day.